The Galaxy Watch 3 is hitting the internet again with an exclusive report from our friends at Gizmodo in the UK. And at first we were super hesitant as to whether we would bring this to you, our community. But some of the features discussed are so significant that we thought we had to. We also wanted to involve you and gauge your opinion on what these new features bring to the table, but also whether you think they will be released with the Galaxy Watch 3. Why do I always fall down?
So look, all upcoming features we're gonna show you today, they're really hot off the press, and we want to start with a really interesting one, and that is gesture control for your Galaxy Watch 3. But really, how does it work? Well, we have spotted 3 so far. Number 1 feature for the gesture control we have spotted so far is raise to speak. What does it mean? Well, apparently the watch will kind of really register what you guys are up to when you wear the Galaxy Watch 3 and really act upon it accordingly. And in reality, it's all about moving your arm and your watch arm in a specific way in direction so the watch you wear will really register what you're up to, and then in this case it will just activate Bixby. And you know what? This could actually mean that you have a better and a smoother and a more fluid conversation with your voice assistant when you are outside. So Tony, please.
I have Jens's watch on, and because he has such strong arms, the strap is a little bit too big on me, but bear with me while I do the gestures. What's the weather like in Los Angeles?
This weekend in Los Angeles, it is sunny with a high of 31 degrees and a low of 17 degrees.
Wasn't that something? And number 2 we've seen so far is pull your arm to answer a call. Voila, Tony.
Hello?
Hello, how's it going?
I actually feel like Iron Man or Thanos.
That sounds super cool.
It's-
Do this. I'm gonna come over.
It's the best gesture ever.
Exciting.
The next gesture is my favorite, and I don't know if it's tongue-in-cheek. Can we be walking down the road with this gesture? Or are we looking back to my generation who knows what this is? Hello?
I know you're doing something. You're filming right now, but I really need you. Can you just come for a second?
Oops. And that's how you get rid of a call. There are also some standard smartwatch features expected, like the one-click music control, a dedicated alert should your Bluetooth disconnect, smart replies, camera controls, and way more.
We know that the Galaxy Watch 3 is set to include the ECG function as well as the blood pressure monitor function when it comes out, and it will not be available in all regions at launch. And we kind of know that it is really sad, but it is what it is. It has to be approved in all the countries where it will be launched. However, there's one big feature. Yes, one big feature I really want to mention, and there's a ton of people who have been asking for that, including myself, and that is a fall detection feature. Yes, guys, fall detection. And you heard right, it seems like it will come out with the next release of the Galaxy Watch 3. So, and that is a pretty big deal. It will include a call to your emergency services in your local country, a text message to your contact you have basically stored in your emergency setting, but it will also text the location and let the emergency services know where you are in the world when you fall down. And to me, this is a pretty big deal, because you know what? This is a feature I would take over any other improvement, but I'm really interested in your opinion, guys. Would you take that feature over any other improvement? Let me know in the comments below. For me, thumbs up, huge deal.
And in terms of pricing, it would be lovely if Samsung would leave the price at around $329 for the 41mm and $349 for the 46mm. However, sources do say that we're looking more between a range of $400 and $600 for the new Galaxy Watch 3. Let us know which feature you are looking forward to the most. Also, let us know if you think they'll all be available on the release of the Galaxy Watch 3. For us personally, the fall detection is the winner of the day.